What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel here. Welcome back to my channel. And in today, as you can see from the title, I'm going to do a quick get ready with me. Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy, intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now back to the video. So I am going out to eat and I literally just got off work, so I'm just going to do a get ready with me for after work. And I do already have some makeup on, but I'm gonna kind of touch up my makeup, touch up my hair, get dressed, and get on up out of here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. I do videos on healthy, intentional living, and yeah, come join the fam. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is wrap up my hair. Just like my edges are a little rough, but just because while I wear a hat every day, so I'm just going to like lay my edges down so they'll be nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to take some of this mousse and then just put it on my hair, just like this. Okay, so I literally haven't been wearing foundation lately, so I'm just going to like dust my face with powder just to like get it less oily, and then maybe do some like blush or something, but just because like I get oily here. Okay, and then I'm going to do a little bit of blush, and then I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelids as well. I find that it just looks really natural. Like obviously your eyelids don't have color, but it just like, it doesn't look as done up. And then I have some highlight. Right, and then the slightest bit of contour. The slightest bit, just like when you put on, I feel like when I put on blush, I have to put on contour, or like my cheeks look like huge. I don't even know. Super natural, super easy. I do have a gloss I'm gonna use, so, but for now, get my lips less crusty. Time for the fit. So hair, makeup, simple, easy. Time for the fit. So I was debating on the pants, but I went with the black pants, and I have a belt, but I also have this shirt that actually my mom gave to me. But before I put the shirt on, I'm going to use some perfume because I've been really into perfume and layering lately. And Dossier, I've talked about them before, Dossier Perfumes, they sent me some perfume to try, so I've been loving these scents. Okay, so the scents I've been layering are Gourmand Patchouli and Floriental Vanilla. Okay, so they have like this layering program where it like matches the perfumes together, and they sent me like basically a bunch of ones that go together, and I'd like pick the scents that I liked. These ones are like matching layers, right? So they're like, each one has a little scent of the other in it. For example, the patchouli one has vanilla in the base note, and then the vanilla one also has vanilla and patchouli in the base note. So that's why they match. They also have like daring matches, like matches where the scents go together but they don't necessarily share a note. So they're like just more daring and more in your face. But I went for the matching one, and I have been loving these, and everybody else has been loving them too. Anybody who knows me, works with me, and has been like commenting on my scent, this is what it is. Dossier, I love them. I love them for sending me stuff, love them for the scents. Like, they're so good. So I'm gonna wear this, and I'm gonna attempt to wear this top that is see-through. We'll see how it goes. here's the fit. Here she is. Hello, hello. Hey girl, how you doing? Hey. Here's the fit right here. Like, I'm so glad I've been working out, because I used to have like a little pouch right here and it's not there. I mean, I'm not the flattest, but curves all day, baby. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me. Make sure you check out more of my videos, and also subscribe if you haven't already. Like I said, I do videos on healthy, intentional living, all about living your best life intentionally, okay? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.